Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. I am Chicken in a Bowl and I'm back with another video. Oh my god, I don't know where I get the energy, guys. It's super hot. Like, can you hear that? That is like me trying to get some air to myself, guys. Like, whoo. So anyways, today I bring you another product, and this product is by Hermosa Flor again. I know you're like, I feel like the girl keeps on dropping, and this one really caught my attention because it is skincare. They did release two products before this range, which was their cleansing oils or balms or makeup removing oils, something like that. I didn't really give it much attention because they launched it with makeup and your girl chose makeup, and I don't know why I didn't. Like, so what I have with me here, it is the dark spot corrector serum, and y'all, I just bought it because you know your girl is struggling with some spots. So Hermosa Flor launched their skincare range, and they have got their acne kit range and everything like that. So the only thing that I bought you guys is actually the dark spot serum, which I really was so happy and excited to see. And I got the product for 220 and paid 99 rand for couriering, which amounts to 300 and something else. You can do your math, okay? So the product came in a bag, which is the bags that they are recently using for their for their palettes as well. So it's the same bag as you can see, which is like your, I don't know, it's like a plasticky, I don't know, it's a zipper bag, guys. Like, yeah, it comes with the same bag, and inside the product came in wrapped. I had to open it because I have used this product for 5 days, so it was wrapped like this, guys. I didn't even film like an unboxing type of video in a way. So this is how the bottle is looking like. As you can see, the dark spot serum is it is 50 milliliters, and it looks something like this. It comes in it's like a glassy bottle, which is like dark brown. I don't know colors, guys, like a dark brown, and it has a squeezing thingy inside. I don't know, like what the hell is this called? Like a head that you squeezes. Something to help you squeeze the product in. So you just give it a squeeze and then pull out, and then you have your serum. And the serum, when I immediately started to drop it, it actually comes out as more like jelly in a way. So it's like guys, it's like this gel sanitizers that they use in the stores, something like that. So it's more like that. I'm just telling you the consistency on how it's looking. So it's just sticky. It's like sticky, ceramish, gelish, I don't know, but that consistency. So I have used this product for 5 days, 5 or 6 days max. And I actually wanted to do what I did with the skin functional product, which was the 30-day period, because I really like to give skin products some time. Like, I don't want to review a product for 7 days and say it doesn't work or it works, something like that. But I had to like discontinue using the product because, as you guys know, I just did a 30-day review of the skin functional, and that is like heavy duty essence. I think my skin just couldn't handle that, and I don't know. So I don't know, maybe we're gonna like shift this to maybe next year, January, to maybe first week of January to month end, or I'll just give it to someone who has like the spots to actually test it on them, because I think my skin right now is not really allowing this product, and it's freaking hot. I just couldn't handle it. So on day 2, I actually thought, you know what, it's just me, it's just like something like you can handle rash and stuff, and I was like, in day 6, no, I just need to stop and let my skin breathe, because I would be overloading product. So when I was applying the product, guys, I'm so sorry I do not have clips on how I was actually applying and how my skin is looking now. There's no much of a change. Like the way that you saw me on the last video from the skin functional is how I look. Do not use this as the reference because I've got a little bit of foundation going on, okay? So the product is jelly, but when you apply it feels like water, so it's like watery in a way. Let me just rub it on my hand so that you guys can see what I'm actually talking about. So this is how the product looks like. It's a bit jelly like that, so it's a bit runny as well. So it looks like it's got a thick consistency from the box, but when you put it on your skin, it actually starts running and it applies as if it's water. And this is how the product is looking. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So this is how it is looking. So I wanted to keep on using the skin functional products, and then in place of the dark management corrector, I wanted to put in this one, but I didn't want to mix products because we wanted a true review of the product. So I don't know, guys, I don't know. Either we wait next year when my face is like settled, or we give it to someone who has spots and let them test it for 30 days and see how it's going to look, so that we can give a true review. Okay, and I like the fact that actually the bottle itself has the ingredients. You can see from the title of the bottle, it says of the bottle, woo, child, a bottle. Woo! My English is transitioning to Harvard's English. Where am I going with this? Like, what the hell? Like, come back to South African. Come back to South Africa. Don't do that to yourself. Bottle, 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 bottle. Botley. Alright, you guys, from the ingredients point of view, I'm actually cool of how the ingredients are looking, because we have niacinamide on the 4th position. I wish alpha butane also was on the top, because from the research about skincare, you must know that the ingredients that are on top are more they work more better than the ones beneath them. Also, I think I have love-hate relationship with the tea tree oil. That is because I overused it last year, guys. Like, I was using it 100%, which is something you must not do because it will irritate your skin, but it does help with reducing redness and acne scars. I just wish it was a little bit beneath the alpha butane. I guess that is my problem. I just need to deal with that and the things that I did to myself last year for me to actually hate this. No, maybe I love alpha butane so much because she's the girl that slowly but effectively reduces your dark marks, your blemishes and all that, but I appreciate the fact that it's actually on the ingredient list. Other than that, I wish and I hope this product actually works. So I'm not sure whether I will give it to someone or I'm going to actually review it for 30 days on my face to actually give you the perfect review of this product, because right now I cannot tell you how it actually works, because I am not a good candidate for this now. Other than that, I'm actually cool with how the product is looking and how the product is actually applies. But I think I should just buy everything if ever I'm going to do this the right way, which is maybe probably January, after I've rested my face a little bit. I will actually just go and buy like the rest of the kit, since your girl is an acne prone skin girl. Because I think since they released that the acne kit range, I think I'll just go and buy everything and use everything at once, so that we can get the full review, just like I did with the skin functional products. So anyways, you guys, I think I'm done with this. Other than that, ordering, you know, guys, the ordering, you know from my makeup reviews that it is super quick. They really like quick, guys, like no delays, nothing. Usually, like myself, and I'm very far away from Gauteng, it arrives here within 2 to 3 days. I am super happy with that. The website is always functional. I can always go and check things and order online, and everything is cool. Anyways, that is it from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.